free stuff, free stuff, free stuff, free stuff, free stuff. I know everybody likes free stuff. I'm gonna tell you what's free, but first, come on, Muley, let's do the free stuff dance. Come on, Muley, I'm making this up. All right, I made that up. That's not a real dance. That's Mew. I didn't give you a disclaimer. I didn't give you a disclaimer in the disclaimer that sometimes I'm an idiot and I wear really stupid hats sometimes. But anyways, there's some free stuff. Look, I wanted to give you some free stuff. There is some stuff that costs a little bit of money, a couple dollars, whatever. I paid a lot more for it. But there's also some free stuff. It's totally free. All right. Now, you are going to find 9 different free softwares. I'm going to give you 9 different free softwares. You'll see these little things called free software. You'll see this little stuff called free software. But you should know that they're not all unlocked right now. You're going to have to come back to get them. All right. One unlocks in a couple days, one in 7 days, one in 14 days, one in 30. So they unlock over time. You can't get all 9 of those free softwares today. You're going to have to come back. You're going to have to come back if you want to give them. All in all, it's like $300, a little bit over $300 a month worth of software that I'm going to be giving you for free. If you come back, if you log in and you see when it's actually unlocked, then you'll be able to go in and actually get that free software. Got a couple speeches here. And then I'm going to actually put in, this is all me. So I told you before, a lot of this stuff is PLR. This free courses, that's PLR. I didn't actually create it. A lot of this stuff, these video courses, that's all PLR. Some of it cost a few dollars. But these mindset superpowers, that's going to be me, content I created. You're going to be able to actually see. You're going to be able to actually see that it's me because I'm going to be there on a screen somewhat like this. All right. So that's just my philosophies, things that have actually helped me, things that have actually helped me in business. So hope you enjoy the free stuff. Feel free to send me an email and say, hey, John, thanks for the free stuff. But keep in mind, there are 9 free softwares. You may not see any of them right now, but if you come back in a few days check your emails because I'll be emailing you whenever the new free stuff, whenever the new free software is available for you, whenever it unlocks for you based on whenever you signed up. So you just have to come back and check every so often. But there is 9 free softwares that will appear here, and I will be adding stuff here. I will be adding more free stuff here, and I will even be adding more free stuff in this free courses. These free courses as well, most of them are PLR content created by other people that I'm supposed to sell for $100 each. Those are also free, but those are also going to unlock over time. So you're not, I think there's like 6, 7, maybe 10 or 11 of those free courses, but you're not going to see all of them today. They're also going to be unlocking over time, so you'll have to come back to get all the free stuff and do the free stuff dance.